Hi, this is Jim Berthold from OLI Systems, Vice President of Technical Support, and welcome to part 2 of how to use virtual streams inside OLI Flowsheet. We're going to start off with a pre-existing case. This is actually part of our case libraries, and just as a quick pre-sell here, you can always find our case libraries here, and we have many different example cases over a variety of different industrial verticals. We're not going to do any of that at the moment. We've already preloaded this. This is a 2-pass RO filtration system, and we're really interested in what's going to go on here with this middle feed. We want to do something first, and I've already turned it on, but let's go into options, and I'm going to click this button here, Enable Simulation Restart Optimizations. And what this means is we're going to let the program not calculate blocks it doesn't have to. By default, it recalculates everything. Now, I've actually already run this case. So in theory, it should just calculate the blocks it needs to calculate. So I'm going to go and add a virtual stream. Okay. And here I am here. And I'm going to add just a simple mix block here. Move it around. We'll add that stream to it, and then we'll give it an outlet stream. And then we have to tell the virtual stream which one I want. And I'm actually going to select it right from the flow sheet. I'm going to go ahead and click it. It gets a very heavy bolded line here, and it's now been copied. What I'd like to do is determine the bubble point temperature of that stream. So I'm going to go ahead and do that by changing my mix block into a bubble point calculation, bubble point temperature, and it's going to be at the inlet pressure conditions here. I'll actually change the name of my outlet stream and just call it bubble point temp. We'll clean things up here a little bit. And I'm actually going to go ahead and add a call out, even though it's empty at the moment, okay, to let it happen. So it's going to take this stream, okay, which is already calculated in theory, and go ahead and just use it. This is an internal stream, so it's not using one of our inlet streams already. So we're just going to do something different to it. Rather than having to put a splitter in, do the calculation, and pass the material back into that calculation. So we're going to go ahead and try that, and let's see what happens. Okay, after just a few seconds, it recalculated here. This is giving an error that there's an inlet stream here that created some solids, which was unexpected. It only took 13, almost 14 seconds to run because it didn't have to recalculate any of these blocks. It just did this block, and that's actually not the point of this tutorial, but we're looking at this stream here, and it's calculating a bubble point temperature of 271, almost 272 degrees centigrade at the pressure of this stream. This is the outlet of a pump. The actual stream was at almost 16 degrees, so you can see that they're quite different. We did it by copying an internal stream. We can do all kinds of calculations here, and that doesn't affect the main process. It is entirely possible to connect this back up into the process itself, so please worry about controlling your mass balances. That's it for the tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave it to send us a comment on our portal at portal.olisystems.com. Thank you.